how can I use generative AI? We are a very large construction contracting company, and their requirement was I have about 10 15 captive accounts, typical Pareto scenario.
Okay.
2 or 3 accounts contribute to 80% of the revenue.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
So I was kind of telling him the way you should use generative AI is to design and execute key account strategies.
Correct.
Begin with the goal in mind. Today you do 50 crores with one account, tomorrow you want to make it 100 crores. The numbers aren't going to grow by itself. You need to understand multiple scenarios. Every drop that trickles into the sales funnel matters.
True.
So when you really use generative AI in those kind of scenarios, you can actually do hundreds of what if scenarios.